اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم۔ آج ہم تاریخ کے سلسلے میں ایک نیا سلسلہ شروع کر رہے ہیں۔ وہ دنیا کی تاریخ کا سلسلہ ہے اور وہ ڈیٹ وائز ہوگا، یعنی ایئر وائز ہوگا ان آرڈر میں، اور اسی کی شروعات ہم کر رہے ہیں شیطان یعنی ابلیس یعنی جنوں کی تخلیق سے ٹو ڈیٹ تک، اور اس کی جو لینگویج ہوگی وہ انگلش ہوگی، کیونکہ مختلف جو تاریخی حقائق ہیں مختلف ایگزامس کے اندر وہ انگلش لینگویج زیادہ تر یوز ہوتی ہے۔ ان 10,000 BA means before the birth of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, Jinnat were created by the fire. In 2000 BA, Jinnats were populated this earth. In 10,000 BC's time period was Hazrat Adam alayhi salam's time period. اب BC ہو رہا ہے، پہلے تھا BA یعنی before the birth of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. 9,500 BC's time period was Hazrat Shis alayhi salam's time period. In 9,000 BC's time period was Hazrat Idris alayhi salam's time period. In 8,500 BC's time period was Hazrat Nuh's time period. In 8,000 BC's time period was Hazrat Hud alayhi salam's time period. In 6,000 BC, Neolithic settlements were at Mahargarh, Balochistan, and in the Indus Valley civilization. In same year, wheat and barley was cultivated at that time. Same year, copper was discovered at that time. In 5,000 BC, there were Mohenjo-daro civilization. In 5,000 BC, there were rise of the Sumerian civilization between the rivers of Tigris and the Euphrates area. Later, this civilization was named Mesopotamia. Now, this civilization is in present Iraq. It was southwestern Asia, Turkey and Iraq. It was the time of the first written languages. Wheel was also invented in this era. In 4,241 BC, Neolithic settlements were in Egypt from the annual rising of the waters of the Nile. The first calendar of 365 days was evolved, consisting of 12 months, arranging 30 days each. In 3,500 BC, bronze was discovered in Egypt. Pottery was developed in the Indus Valley. Potter's wheel was invented. Sumeria developed cuneiform writings. Numerical system was evolved. Lunar calendar developed. In 3,400 BC, the first Pharaoh dynasty was established. In 3,100 BC, Menses, original king of the Egyptian dynasty, ruled. In 3000 BC, there were the time period of Hazrat Ibrahim, Hazrat Lut, Hazrat Ismail and Hazrat Ishaq. In 2700 BC, the building of the pyramids were built, which is one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. In 2500 BC, time period was Hazrat Yaqub alayhi salam's time period. In 2400 BC's time period was Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam's time period in Egypt. In 2300 BC, the Aryan Navigators, the tribe from the banks of the Danube and South Russia spread southwards. They moved through Central and Southern Europe and into India. Evolution of the Aryan language, from which most of the European languages have developed. In 2300 BC, the Babylonian, Egyptians, and Chinese built observatories upon the flat roofs of temples, and this marked the beginning of astrology. The Neolithic age in northern Europe. In 2200 BC's time period was Hazrat Ayub alayhi salam's time period. In 2100 BC's time period was Hazrat Shuaib alayhi salam's time period. In 2000 BC's time period was Hazrat Musa, Hazrat Harun, and Hazrat Yusha bin Nun alayhi salam's time period. In 2000 BC, there was the rise of Babylon city, ancient Mesopotamia. King Hammurabi raised the first army of the world. A civilization in Japan by the Jomons, who invaded the country from China and Korea. Settlement of Andean civilization, South America from North America. In 1700 BC's time period was Hazrat Talut alayhi salam's time period. In 1600 BC's time period was Hazrat Daud alayhi salam's time period. In 1500 BC's time period was Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam's time period. In 1500 BC, Rigveda was compiled, oldest sacred scriptures and first book of Hinduism. In 1400 BC's time period was Hazrat Ilyas alayhi salam's time period. In 1200 BC, this was Iron Age during Hittites' time. A fierce nation of Aryan, who had conquered the Anatolian Peninsula and developed the art of refining iron. In 1122 BC, rise of the Chinese civilization along the banks of the Huang Hu, building of Stone Age villages. Traditional beginnings of the Hasya dynasty in China. In 1072 BC, Chu dynasty begins in China. In 1027 BC, Chu dynasty begins in China. In 1000 BC, Egypt ceased to be a power. Epic civilization in India, composition of the great epics. The Ramayana and the Mahabharata. Phoenicians developed alphabetical writing. In 900 BC's time period was Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam's time period. In 867 BC, rule of Azeb and Asi kingdom in existence over it. In 850 BC, the works of poet Homer created Iliad and Odyssey. In 800 BC, Homer, author of Homeric poems. 776 BC, the first Olympics held in the city of Olympia in Greece. In 753 BC, foundation of the city Rome by Romulus. In 700 BC's time period was King Bakhtinasar's time period in Iraq. In 700 BC's time period was Hazrat Uzair alayhi salam's time period. In 700 BC, the king Anbat ruled over Valley, Kari, Hijr, Madain, Urdun, and Rakim. But in 106 AD, Rumis defeated Anbat and captured Rakim, and Rumi gave its new name Terra Arbitra. In 117 AD, the kings of Rome compelled to the people to worship the idols, and at that time the king of Trojan was Decianus. In 660 BC, Zarathustra or Zoroaster was born, the founder of Zoroastrianism in Media, Iran. In 635 BC, there were two separate states, Media and Faras. But in 559 BC, these two states were combined and named them Iran. In 622 BC, Babel and Nineveh, both kingdoms were on the top in the world. In 608 BC, Battle Megiddo took place between Necho of Egypt and Joshua of Judah. In this battle, Egyptians became victorious. In 604 BC, new empire in Mesopotamia with Babylon as a capital. In 600 BC, Yajuj and Majuj tribes used to live behind the Caucasus mountain. In 600 BC, Zoroaster spread his teachings that become Zoroastrianism. In 599 BC, Mahavira means great hero was born northeast area where Gautama Buddha was born. In 590 BC, Babylonians captured Jerusalem. In 583 BC's time period was Hazrat Ibrahim Zarathustra time period. In 566 BC, King Bakhtinasar attacked on Baitul Muqaddas. In 563 BC, Gautama Buddha was born in Lumbini, Nepal. Its original name was Prince Siddhartha. He was the founder of Buddhism. In 553 BC, works of Pythagoras, a great settled in Italy. He was a deist early Greek philosopher who discovered music and determined that an octave has 8 notes. In 551 BC, Confucius, the great Chinese philosopher, was born in small state of Liu in present Shenzhen, northeastern China. In 550 BC, Confucianism third was born, great religious which emerged from China and became its state religion. In 537 BC, Bani Israeli reconstructed Baitul Muqaddas by the help of Zulkarnain. In 509 BC, founding of the Roman Republic when great temples, baths, circuses and triumph arches were built. In 500 BC, building of the theatre at Delphi, the first man of theatre was a Greek called Thespis, who founded the modern theatre. In 490 BC, Battle of Marathon took place between Athenians and Persians. King Daras of Persia was defeated. In 480 BC, Battle of Thermopylae took place between Spartans led by Leonidas and Persians led by Xerxes. Greeks were defeated. Battle of Salamis took place between Athens fleet in Bay of Salamis and Persians. Persians fleet was defeated. In 479 BC, Battle of Pratai took place between Greek and Persians. Persian forces were defeated. Battle of Mekelle took place between Greek and Persian forces. Persian fleet was defeated. In 460 BC, Socrates, Greek scientist, was born. In 459 BC, Spartan wars took place between Spartan and Athens. This battle is also called Peloponnesian War. This war was lasted for 30 years. In 431 BC, Spartan War II took place between Sparta and Athens. Spartans were victorious. In 427 BC, Plato, a Greek philosopher, was born in distinguished Athenian family. In 400 BC, Leo Tau, book writer, was born. In 399 BC, Socrates, the Athenian philosopher, condemned to death. In 387 BC, Plato founds the academy in Athens. He was disciple of Socrates, who wrote the Republic book. In 384 BC, Aristotle, philosopher and scientist, was born in Segiva in Macedonia. In 371 BC, Mencius, Chinese philosopher, was born in Semal state of Kishu, present Shantung province of China. In 356 BC, Alexander the Great was born in Pella, capital city of Macedonia. In 347 BC, Plato died at a time he was working on his Theatrise the Laws. In 336 BC, accession of Alexander the Great at the age of 22 years. He proclaimed that he would become master of the world. In 335 BC, Aristotle founded a school of philosophy. He was a disciple of Plato. In 331 BC, Battle of Arabia took place between Greek and Persian forces. Greeks were victorious. In 300 BC, Euclid, Greek geometrician, was born. In 280 BC, creation of the Colossus of Rhodes. It is one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. An immense statue of Helios, Apollo, the sun god. In 279 BC, Pharaoh's lighthouse at Alexandria built. It is one of the seven wonders of the ancient world. In 264 BC, Ashoka became emperor of India. He belongs to Maurya dynasty. In 215 BC, The Great Wall of China was built by Shi Han Tai. In 190 BC, Battle of Magnesia took place between Syrian and Roman. Syrian forces were defeated northwest Judea. In 168 BC, Antiochus king destroyed Baitul Muqaddas. In 100 BC, Hazrat Zakaria alayhi salam was born in Baitul Muqaddas. In 73 BC, Seleucus revolt took place in Rome. In 66 BC, Rumi captured Jerusalem. It was second destruction of Baitul Muqaddas. In 63 BC, Augustus Caesar was the founder of Roman Empire. In 58 BC, Caesar begins conquest of Gaul. In 55 BC, invasion of Britain by Julius Caesar. In 44 BC, Julius Caesar, Roman military political leader, was born in Rome. In 44 BC, Julius Caesar was murdered by Brutus. In 30 BC's time period was Hazrat Yahya alayhi salam's time period. In 16 BC, Hazrat Maryam alayhi salam was born in Baitul Muqaddas. In 29 AD, Hazrat Yahya alayhi salam was arrested by the order of Rome King Herodes. In 30 AD, Rome King Herodes ordered the execution of Hazrat Yahya alayhi salam. In 32 AD, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam gave openly invitation to the Bani Israelis. In 33 AD, on 13 April, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam was slain by the order of the Roman governor Pilatus. Jazakallah.